Welcome to BluWave's annual celebration of excellence, where we recognize the most innovative firms in private equity. I'm Sean Mooney, BluWave's founder and CEO. At BluWave, we have the privilege of working with many hundreds of leading private equity firms and their thousands of portfolio companies, connecting them with the PE-grade third-party resources they need to differentially assess opportunities and create unique value. This vantage gives us a one-of-one perspective into how and why the private equity industry works. Each year, we delve deep into the mechanics of the industry to identify private equity firms that are truly innovating. The top Private Equity Innovator Awards are based on a comprehensive assessment process built upon 4 pillars that set firms apart. First, proactive due diligence practices. Innovative PE firms look at prospective investments with an eye towards not only trusting but verifying, but also with a lens into confidently informing how they're going to fundamentally create value in companies. Second, transformative value creation. Once PE firms make investments, leading private equity firms actively partner with their portfolio company management teams to create truly differential value well above and beyond trend lines. Third, modern private equity firm operations. These PE leaders treat the business of private equity like a business. They strategically utilize best-in-class internal and external cross-functional resources to enable exceptional levels of value creation with their portfolio companies. And fourth, corporate citizenship. Top PE firms know creating value for their investors in the world are one and the same. Our rigorous selection process also incorporates diverse perspectives from limited partners, investment bankers, executives, and advisors across the private equity landscape, and a review of more than 75 different factors and 400,000 data points. With great pride, we're thrilled to unveil the 2025 top private equity innovators in our Private Equity Innovator of the Year, Alpine Investors.